Any mention?
My Lord, in item number 17 from the hearing list, in spite of my best effort,
Yes.
I was not able to file the rejoinder on time, but however, I'll be filing it today, my Lord. And my Lord, may be pleased to
17,
fix...
18?
No, only the 17, my
Who's
Lord,
on the
item
side?
17. I've taken consent from them. Any date, my
weeks,
Lord?
yes.
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 Obliged, Lordship.
Lordship, I beg to mention item 14 on behalf of Senior GA and G. Sheila.
Yes, so my concern also, Your Lordship.
You want adjournment cost?
No, Lordship, I have informed the other side.
They have sought
You want
adjournment.
adjournment cost, even adjourning it repeatedly. How much time?
Lordship, 2 weeks.
Okay, yes.
Obliged, Lordship.
Lordship, for item number 13, and for the respondent number 7.
Number 13,
Yes.
what do you want?
Your Lordship, the conducting counsel, Mr. Hassan, can't be appearing today, so we seek at least
Seek-
1 week of time.
2 weeks, yes. You didn't take consent of Kurishi? No.
No,
No objection?
No, Lordship, they have not taken consent.
No, any objection?
Here, Your Lordship, managing committee, which is respondent number 6, they are not appearing yet.
Mr. Kurishi is there, yes.
Managing committee is not there. Managing committee is not yet constituted for the school. Only the chairman or somebody had.
This matter was heard, and during the course of hearing, Lordship has come to a finding that the private response is being affected by the order of the managing committee. So subsequently, managing committee was called for, and the petitioner has taken steps on that. So now senior is saying that there is no
Yeah, I
managing
came to know
committee.
from the person when he went to serve the notice, then he found
Yes,
no managing
sir.
committee.
Let me called out, yeah. Then wait. You wait, yes. Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 9, Your Lordship. I am pray let this matter be passed over next week, Your Lordship.
Pass over for next week.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And then you are the petitioner. You're for the petitioner.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You're not interested in the matter anymore.
We are interested, Your Lordship, but the conducting council is having some personal difficulties.
No objection, Your Lordship.
The 2 weeks, yes.
Similar prayer for item.
What about item number 10?
Item 10 will do, Your Lordship.
Where's Mr. Chakravarti? Is coming?
Yes, it's coming.
Okay. Yes? Yes, yes.
For item number 12, Your Lordship.
Who's for the petitioner?
So
Vicky Sangmayas.
Short time may be given because
Short time means how much?
after 1 week, my Lord.
1 week, okay. Yes.
Much Lordship.
Supplementary list, item number 1.
Yes, put it for other bench wrote me.
My Lord.
Come please matter some other bench wrote me.
Item number 2.
See, in this case, the petitioner is a teacher. He's a
Yes, Mr. Kurishi.
He's an assistant teacher, and
Where?
he's going to retire in
Garo
2027
Hills?
March. No, from Shillong.
Okay.
Now he's the most senior
He's
teacher.
supposed to retire?
He's going to retire on 1st March 2027. But now he's
27?
27.
Now 24.
Now this case is regarding the promotions. The post of the headmaster is lying vacant now. Now he is entitled to get promotion on the basis of seniority also, even he is possessing the higher qualifications. But the managing committee is not promoting him. We came to know that some junior teacher is going to be promoted to the post of the headmaster.
Promotions are all right.
But we file representations. We file a representation asking them to publish the seniority list.
What seniority is?
This is the.
So you want to twist their arm so they'll promote you?
No, but there shouldn't be any discriminations. suppose if the person not entitled, so I'm possessing a higher qualifications. I'm the MCOM, I'm a B.Ed, and I got the increment from the government also.
Doesn't matter. Suppose his merit comes seniority.
This was,
It's not a right, Mr. Qureshi. You can't. There's a written anticipation. That means.
no, not anticipation. My submission is that
Yes.
the representation which I submitted before the authority, Annexure 6, that representation has not been considered. They're keeping it pending.
Who's point number 6?
Managing Committee is number 4.
Number 6 is whom?
If Lordship, if the representation can be disposed of by them, if that direction may be given to them.
The representation filed before whom?
We have filed before the Secretary, Managing Committee, and copy 2 given to the District School Education Officers and Director of School Education Officers. We simply want the representation to be considered by them, either reject or accept.
In this case, doesn't it deserve notice also? What to do?
Notice may be useful.
Doesn't deserve notice also.
Well, only my representation to be considered.
Doesn't deserve notice also. You want to twist their arm. Let them decide if,
No.
they're in a management committee, they will see who's the fittest person to be headmaster.
But Lordship, only the representation may be considered. That much.
Yes, Mr. Kharmi.
He's claiming for promotion to the post of headmaster.
Yes.
And he's saying that his representation is not disposed.
At least let them consider my representation.
Don't use this quote as a post office. That,
No, because they are not considering, they are not saying anything, they are silent.
promotion is not a right.
Lordship, promotion cannot be claimed as a matter of right.
Okay, just will issue notice as well. Issue notice, Mr. H. Karmi, on behalf of respondents, number 1, 2, and 3. No further notice called for upon respondents. Please take step for issue to take steps on respondent number 4.
4.
This after 2 weeks.
Item number 3.
May it please your Lordship.
Yes.
That Anjali petrol pump we had to shift. We had to vacate that cantonment land which we had our pump.
Yes.
Yes. Thereafter, Lordship, as we got an allotment, government gave us an allotment for setting up a pump. Now, Indian Oil all throughout in the previous rate, they said that you get an allotment, we can shift the pump. Now, when we want to set up the pump, they said no, that is to set up the Anjali petrol pump is a A-side pump. So, if you have to shift that, you have to transfer the subleased land to us, which of course we are not permitted as per the allotment letter, and we are not willing to do also because the land has been allotted to us.
Where's the allotment letter?
Lordship? The impugned letter, Lordship, of Oil India.
No, the lease, government lease.
Lease is at page, it starts at page 17 and 19 is the relevant portion. We have paid this.
30 years.
Yes, 30 years.
So this was executed on?
Lordship. Lease was executed.
In December 2023.
Yes. After that, we said we'd vacate. Now Indian Oil insists that we sublet the lease.
Where's the impugned letter? So your stand is that...
we said that in the meantime we have got a fresh allotment also. So
from
we said,
IOC?
IOC. So let us set up the fresh petrol pump there. It's basically a livelihood. As per the...
What does the letter say regarding...
handing over A-side retail outlet to this. Lordship will find that page, Annexure 10, page 14. Lordship, last but one paragraph. You are hereby once again advised to offer the land allotted at Indo this campus, Upper Shillong, by the Directorate of Urban Affairs, Meghalaya, on immediate basis to shift the Ashok service, Anjali, subject to the said shift site being found techno-commercial.
So where have you said that they've already allotted the new petrol pump?
Lordship, we have got an allotment letter.
Where is that?
Allotment new petrol pump is, Lordship, at, just point out, at Annexure 4, page 23.
So you just want to convert that into
a new petrol
pump.
Yes.
Without the hassle of leasing it to.
Yes. I obviously don't want to lease because I've got the land and I can do other things besides. Because the land has been leased for very many purposes. Car service, dhaba, ancillary functioning for a petrol pump.
Yes, will you have issue notice?
Yes, Lordship.
Yes, sir.
Lordship, can it be fixed on the 19th of July?
Yes, sir. M. Hazarika, Leonard Senior Counsel with so issue notice returnable in 19 July 2024. Shall be taken by said AD within 2 days, within 3 days, yes. Just accordingly on so and so.
Item number 4.
Please, Lordship. This is the application in compliance with the order dated 11/6/2024, where there is a court order to implead, to file an application to implead the respondent that Divisional Forest Officer, Tura West Garo Hills.
Yes.
No objection.
This is an application for impleading the Divisional Forest Officer.
Lordship, Tura.
As respondent number?
It will be respondent number 5.
Social Forest Officer.
Yes, Lordship.
This is an application for impleading the Divisional Social Forest Officer, West Garo Hills, Tura, as respondent number 5 in the main writ petition. Stop. Why?
Because earlier occasion, because we have no knowledge with it, because during the pendency of the case, the government council has brought up
and as the said Divisional Forest Officer is a necessary and proper party for identification of the matter. Stop. Next partition objected to by MS Barasaji for the state respondents. According prayers allowed, the district social forest officer also is directed to be impleaded as respondent number 5. Registry to make necessary correction. This case disposed of. Then in the main case, in view of the order passed in the main case, registry to correct the cause settled by adding respondent number 5. Stop. Petitioner to take steps. Petitioner to serve extra copy of petition on the Leonard GA. Yes. This main case, let's know. Yes, this is on 9/7.
Lordship. Most blessed Lordship.
Daily list item number 1.
Your Lordship, I pray for 2 weeks' time to file my rejoinder to the affidavit filed by...
You file your affidavit?
Affidavit on behalf of the state was filed in the month of June 2023, my lord.
And we filed a rejoinder to Your Lordship.
Now you surrender to the
My lord, to the respondent
When
MORT.
did you file it? Go through the day?
No, Lordship, we have already filed.
On the last day.
Last one we have placed and it's allowed 2 weeks' time to file the jointer, the affidavit filed by the respondent number 5.
5 and 4.
1 and 2 are connected matters, Your Lordship.
Okay, same. Yes.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Item number 3.
You obtained status?
Yes, Lordship. I have filed the service affidavit yesterday.
Or which respondent number?
Respondent number 9, 10, 13, 16, 17, 18, and 19.
Yes, Lordship. I'm appearing anti-appearance for 10 and 13, Lordship. I have anti-appearance for 12 or earlier, Lordship.
What about 9, 16, 17, 18, 19?
No, my lord. No one has yet appeared.
They all been served?
Yes, Lordship.
You filed affidavit?
Yes, Lordship. Service
It's filed?
affidavit. Yes. I filed yesterday, Lordship.
Yes, a service affidavit has been filed by the petitioner bringing to record the factum of service of notice upon the respondents 9/10, 9/10, 13, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Mr. Areng, who is recorded as counsel for respondent Petrol, submits that he will also be representing respondents number 10 and 13. What do you want to file affidavit? Yes, he prays for allowed 2 weeks time to file affidavit stub. What about state?
My lord, we have already filed our affidavit.
Yes, list after 2 weeks.
1 to 5.
For affidavit by the said respondents and for appearance of the other respondents. Yes.
My lord, I am appearing for respondent number 6, National Council for Teacher Education.
Yes. Yes, it will be recorded. You want to file affidavit?
My lord, I have received a soft copy. Hard copy yet to be received by me, my lord.
We don't know about that. Are you going to file affidavit or not?
Yes, I will file it. Now, on
Mr.
next date, I will file it.
Yeah, Mr. Taizuddin.
No, I alone, my lord.
It's back along, okay.
We have already filed, you know.
I know 6 also
I have
similar
just
prayer.
received soft copies.
Praise the Lord. Yes.
Next date, my lord.
Item number 4.
Yes. What instructions you received?
Well, the instruction is that, my lord, the matter can be disposed of with a time frame, my lord. Because what happened was there was a considerable gap. So there are certain requirements now to fulfill. So we have asked him to furnish all these documents. So if he furnishes those documents, we will process the matter.
Lordship, if I may, Lordship.
There he couldn't present himself for the bank or before proof of life.
My lord, there are a few other formalities also, my lord. Because you have to pay me.
For the past 7 years, it has been that he has not submitted.
You're paying for the bank. Yes.
Second page, Lordship, kindly see.
You have seen the letter, Mr. Pandey?
Lordship, if I can draw Lordship attention to page number 3, Lordship, para number 2 of this instruction, Lordship.
Yes.
They ask for certain documents to be submitted, Lordship. Lordship, as per the prevailing rule, Lordship, every pensioner has to submit life certificate once a year, Lordship, in the month of November. That is the only requirement, Lordship. And the petitioner is already submitted life certificate for the year of 2000.
Your case is a different footing because if it's a normal
Lordship,
run-of-the-mill case, fine. But in your case, there was a long gap of 7 years.
Lordship.
Because you were unwell for whatever reasons. And so to regularize or, to reconcile the process again. So that's why they've asked for these documents.
Lordship, they've asked for Class 1 Executive Magistrate signature, latest non-remarriage.
See, the petitioner submitted scanned copy of life certificate concerned bank, but same time it's required submit his office through concerned department. You have to submit it signed by a magistrate, a life certificate.
Lordship,
non-marriage certificate is there.
Lordship, that is a part of the life certificate. Lordship, and this is wrong, so Lordship.
What is the non-marriage certificate?
My lord, I think that will be applicable. That may not be applied to him.
Lordship,
without going into this, my lord, because he has to complete, because there is a fault on his part also. My lord, 7 years he was sleeping well. Lordship, so whatever formalities he'll complete, my lord, this honourable court will not adjudicate now what documents are required or not required. My lord.
But the first line, Lordship,
there is nothing to adjudicate in this matter, my lord.
Lordship, only submission, Lordship. This is factually incorrect, Lordship. It is the petitioner submitted a scanned copy of life certificate to the branch. Petitioner has himself physically gone to the bank.
You want to send for forensic?
Lordship.
Then being submissions.
He has gone, Lordship, and he is a resident of Nepal, Lordship. So this may be difficult, Lordship. Executive magistrate in SP. So if required, Lordship, he can once more come to the bank, Lordship, and present himself, Lordship. That may solve the problem.
It's not only bank now, my lord. He has to come to Assam Rifles authorities.
How old is he?
He's nearing 70, Lordship, and he's partially paralyzed from waist down.
Can the officers go to his house? Or Assam Rifles don't have any representation in Nepal?
That I...
And as per the requirement, Lordship, for the year 2023, he has already presented himself. 2024, he'll be presenting himself
Now
in
the
the month of November.
The pension will be done which account?
Where?
SBI.
SBI. From the Sanauli branch in UP.
That's the Indo-Nepal border, Lordship.
Nepal.
Lordship.
So he'll cross the border to draw his pension?
Lordship, it was with quite in escort. He had to be brought to
no, but
the
he's
branch,
staying in
Lordship.
Nepal.
Lordship.
How will he draw the pension from
That
India?
is the the branch is located exactly at the border, Lordship, Indo-Nepal border. That is the nearest SBI branch, Lordship, available.
They can't be transferred to a bank in Nepal?
That may again present some other complications, Lordship, because that has to go through embassy, Lordship, if I understand correctly. And that might take some more time, Lordship.
But State Bank, they have branches in Nepal also.
They have, Lordship. They have.
Yes.
But the international branches, I think, for different purpose, for pension.
What about the other soldiers who retire? Their pensions are paid. They have always family pension.
Normally, what happens? They maintain a bank account in India also, my lord. So the amounts are paid.
The other one, there are some cases here where those widows are staying in Nepal. They are taking family pension there only.
But what I understand, my lord, they have a bank account in India somewhere, my lord. Money is credited to that account and they withdraw through ATM or whatever process.
Only issue is, Lordship, this obtaining of these certificates may be a problem for the petitioner, Lordship. This executive magistrate latest non-remarriage, Lordship, is a part of life certificate, Lordship. That is a column, Lordship. If I may take Lordships to the life certificate, Lordship.
Take down the learned DSGI, Dr. Mozikala DSGI, has produced a communication dated 11 June 2024 addressed to the legal officer of the Assam Rifles. Stop. The said letter acknowledges the fact that the petitioner had submitted a scanned copy of life certificate to the concerned branch, but that other formalities were required as noted in the said letter at paragraph 2. Stop. Dr. N. Mozika's next paragraph further submits that perhaps the matter can be closed by allowing a certain time frame for the formalities to be completed. Next paragraph, Mr. Pandey, however, on behalf of the petitioner, counsel on behalf of has submits that as a life certificate had been submitted to the concerned bank, which contains information as required, the resubmission or the requirement of the other formalities will cause great hardship to the petitioner who is semi-paralyzed. I will write staying in Nepal now? No.
Lordship is staying in...
And is presently residing in Nepal. So what do you have to say, Mr. Dhar?
Lordship, after they give the consolidated report of the pension pending to us, then we can...
From Assam Rifles?
Yes,
Yes, Mr. Idhar, right? On behalf of the bank, submits that from the side of the bank there is no impediment except no impediment, and on receipt of the total amount due to the petitioner, the same shall be released forthwith. Anything else?
My lord, fresh pension payment order has to be...
Yes, on receipt of fresh pension payment order, the said pension will be released to the petitioner forthwith, yes. Anything else? We'll do away with the formalities. Also. Yes, sir.
What happens, we have to be cautious, my lord, because there can be matters of fraud also. We don't
No, but then don't demand such stringent kind of requirements. If the person's semi-paralyzed and staying in Nepal
my
and
lord, we
so
have not
come over to
only
India to draw
thing
the
required,
amount.
my lord, lordship kindly sees, my lord, the non-employment certificate. I think these are the basic requirements.
He's 70 years old.
Lordship,
and it's in the life
humbly
certificate
Some
contains
it says 54. Yeah, I don't
Lordship,
know what is correct. My lord.
maybe a mistake, Lordship. The non-employment certificate is already a part of life certificate. Every life certificate contains non-remarriage and non-employment
You
certificate.
resubmitted this all life certificate, which is like that.
Lordship.
And then you have submitted to the bank.
Lordship.
Which
And we have given copies to the Assam
Rifles.
Rifles.
We have copied some rifles and the matter proceed from there. Yes,
we can do that.
In view of the facts, circumstances of the case, and in order not to cause the writ petitioner any more suffering, it is directed that the writ petitioner shall furnish a fresh copy of the life certificate to the respondent number. Bank is 6.
Well, he has to submit to us, my lord, not to Assam Rifles, my lord.
No, he has to submit to you or to him?
To us now, my lord, because fresh payment order is
Submit
to
a fresh life certificate to the respondent number.
To the respondents, my lord.
To the respondents. No, Assam Rifles. Respondent number, is it
4 or 5? Which, I don't know which is the exact.
What about PN accounts officer?
It is respondent number 3, Lordship.
To the Assam Rifle respondents.
Well,
no? Any more further hardship of the petitioner? Yes. To the Assam Rifle respondents with a copy marked to the concerned bank. Within?
2 months, Lordship. Because
within 8 weeks from today. Stop. On receipt thereof, the said Assam Rifle respondents shall process the said fresh pension payment order of the petitioner
3
within
months.
a period of
3 months after.
3 months
Lordship,
thereafter.
consider Lordship, the petitioner may come to the bank branch, Lordship, and present himself, and that life certificate may be submitted to the respondents, Assam Rifle respondents. That will be easier, Lordship, because he has to travel all the way from Nepal to Shillong would be a problem, Lordship.
Well, bank is a very different.
Main
role.
branch is in UP only, Lordship.
Lordship.
Branch.
Don't complicate matters. Now you want to give that certificate where? He has to come here to Shillong.
It may not be necessary to come, my lord.
No,
He
just
can
submit
simply
that
submit
certificate.
the document.
Yes, that's all, no? Three months thereafter, yes. With the above noted directions, the petitions are disposed of. Stop. Copy of the communication dated 11 June 2024 is taken on board and made part of the record. Yes.
I love it, Lordship.
Item number 5.
You obtain status?
Lordship, I have applied for status report. I'm yet to get status report, Lordship.
Not get status report?
Yes, Lordship.
Your Lordship, the state has filed after.
Already filed?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes. MR Marak.
Yes, Lordship, MR Marak.
Mr. MR Marak submits that he is yet to obtain the status of service on respondents 9, 11, 13, 16, 19, 20, 23. He prays for a 2 weeks time to obtain the same.
Interim order may be continued.
After 2 weeks interim order, if any, shall continue till next date.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 6.
Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of A. Karwanlang and I'm praying for a little further time. It is being drafted,
What's happened
Lordship.
to Karan Lang? He's been away for a long time.
Lordship, he's out of station for his treatment, Lordship.
Affidavit?
Oh, yeah.
Yes, Lordship.
Yeah,
We are
2 weeks.
Whether 2 weeks time?
Obliged,
That's great, yes.
7.
May please, my lord. The state is seeking further 2 weeks' time to seek. We are yet
1
to
and 2.
receive.
3 received notice.
Yes, Your Lordship, as per the speed boat track consignment, Your Lordship.
They received. They received notice.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Huh? You haven't taken steps. How do you receive notice? Court Master said you haven't even taken steps for service of notice. So dismiss the case then.
No, Your Lordship will take steps.
You're not interested in taking steps. How do you say that they will receive notice, number 3?
As per what instruction has been given, Your Lordship.
From whom?
From my colleagues, Your Lordship. I pray Your Lordship will take steps today,
See,
Your
if you
Lordship.
have not even filed the copies for taking steps, how do you receive notice? Office note indicates that the petitioner is yet to take steps on respond number 3. Staff MSN Raji prays for and allowed to 1 week's time to complete the same stop. MSS Sham next on behalf of respondent 1 to praise funds allowed for the
2 weeks.
2 weeks time to file affidavit. Just thereafter.
I apologize, Your Lordship.
Management. Item number 8.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I'm praying for some time on behalf of respondents 1 to 6.
7, 8 and 9.
Your Honor, 9 we have taken step against all the respondent. 7 and 9 they have received, but 8 has not received as the consignment tracking report is showing.
Refused?
No, they haven't received. It is still lying with the PO full body.
How do you know you received?
No, it's still lying.
Obtained status?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, MS Impleading submits that the respondents number 7 and 9
7 and 9
have since received notice as per the status obtained by her, whereas respondent number 8 is yet to be in receipt of notice. You want to file serious affidavit? She prays that
yes,
she pays for
Lordship,
2 weeks' time for filing of affidavit indicating service. Some more
Lordship,
time.
I pray for 2 weeks' time.
Ambassador prays for, and it's for on behalf of respondents
1 to 6, Your Lordship.
1 to 6. Ambassador prays for and allowed for 2 weeks' time to file affidavit. Yes.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Hearing. Item number 10.
Got the name of arbitrator?
We have got, they have given us 4 names. I can.
This is only for your side, right? Or common arbitrator for both?
Common
Is it
sole
common?
arbitrator, Your Lordship.
So arbitrator. You've seen the names is given.
No, Your Lordship, we have not seen.
No.
What are the names?
Basically, my Lord, here actually appointment of arbitrator is with the
parties.
With us, my Lord.
Yes.
So, my Lord, in any event, because the matter is here, my
Yeah,
Lord.
because it's here, so settle from here only.
So we sought instructions and they have given us 4 names.
Who are those people?
So, if Your Lordship, my Lord, the 3 of them are retired judges of Bombay High Court, and 1 is a retired Chief Justice of Allahabad High Court.
You supply the
All
names
of
to
them are based in Bombay.
Delhi.
Bombay.
Bombay.
Your Lordship, they can supply us the names, then we can...
No, but do you have any? Let's see. Where's your agreement? Where arbitration? Where's the arbitration clause? It's not
Arbitration,
here.
arbitration clause is there.
Yes, I mean where in the petition?
Page 28. That is section 8.
Page 34, Your Lordship. The clause, it's an application filed before the trial court.
Page 34.
That there's a clause.
You're the lender.
This
You're the lender. You're the lender, right?
we are the lender.
Then, and so then you pick out. You shouldn't have any quarrel then, because you have agreed clause 21.2. On failure of party settle the dispute amicably shall be referred to the sole arbitrator appointed by the lender. And arbitration shall be held in Mumbai. So there will be no problem.
My lord. So the place of arbitration is also Mumbai, my lord.
Yes.
Your Lordship, with regard to the arbitrator, I'll just also take instructions.
No, but then as per the clause, that means, okay, we'll
Lender,
take it next week. Yes. But then we decide, just pick out a name, you give the name, it's your choice. It's under section 8. It's not Arbitration 11.6. Yes.
But then we'll give one name.
You give one name, next date you tell them, we'll settle it. And Mumbai will be the place of arbitration. You can contest that, I mean, there are cases, but you've signed the arbitration agreement, I mean, for arbitration. After 1 week, to enable MF, Mr. S. Chakravarti, Senior Counsel, today has produced a list of 4 names for consideration of appointment of arbitrators, of the sole arbitrator. MS BF Karwanlang, placed for 1 week's time to obtain instructions. Just on, after 1 week, positively, we will dispose it of that.
So we'll select one name and...
We'll select, yes.
Malad.
He just wants instructions, Mumbai, just to examine the arbitration clause again. But you select the name, you supply next day.
Malad.
11. Highly obliged.
All right.
Mr. Jha is not here, he's not well. Just after 2 weeks as the counsel for the petitions on sanction leave.
13. 13.
He disappeared.
Yes. Where's number 6?
Lordship,
Where's the Kurishi? He was here just now?
Yes, he left, Lordship.
Where's he?
My lord, in the meantime, if I may point out, my lord, order dated 17 April and 24th May, my lord.
17 April?
April, my lord. My lord, this was the day when the matter was taken up for hearing, my lord.
17 April?
April, my lord, 24.
Yes.
And then, my lord, in the second paragraph of the order, Lordship has directed the petitioner to take a fresh step, my lord, and even respond...
Where's the lawyer? I told that young lawyer to be here when the matter, where's he gone? You don't understand, what the court says also. It's not for time, and we told him to remain here, the matter will be taken up. Don't understand really. There was one lawyer taken time, correct?
I do know him.
Yes, Your Lordship.
It is asked to remain present when the matter is taken up. You last time produced a note indicating you've served spot number 6, correct?
Lordship.
On 24th May, my lord, my friend has surprised
Now
us.
you see there's no managing committee.
Yes, Lordship. According to the petitioner, he has informed us that there is no new managing committee formed.
Then who's spot number 6 then now? Who do you serve to?
We have
My lord,
served...
exactly, that is the question, my lord. If there is no managing committee, who has actually received?
It's received by Anjuma Begum, ex-officio commander.
This is matter on Tuesday for orders, yes. As there's some confusion in regard to serves notice, this matter on Tuesday in the order column. Tell that your Lord, court does not look very kindly.
15.
You get his name. It's not done. If the court says he remain present, it's contempt, you know. Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
My Lord, the petitioner, she has been serving in the school Matri Mangal Girls Upper Primary School since the year 1998, and her appointment was approved ordered by the government, wide order dated 22 October 2018, annexure 6, page number 16 of my writ petition, Your Lordship.
Page number
16.
60.
16. Annexure 6. Serial number 3. My appointment was approved, Your Lordship, for the subject social studies. My Lord, I was getting the salary thereafter, and thereafter, subsequently, the salary was credited in the particular account of the teachers, and in this case also, in my account, it was transferred. The salary was transferred till the month of March, and subsequently it was stopped. I have enclosed the bank transaction also, that is page number 21. And thereafter, Your Lordship, the salary was stopped, and I wrote to the authority to kindly release my salary. No reply was furnished, and then accordingly, Your Lordship, I approached this honorable court. My Lord, the state, they have filed the affidavit, and as well as the school affidavit has been filed. The state, Your Lordship, they have taken stand that there is no record of my approval in the record with the government. And in the affidavit of the state respondent, they have enclosed one document, that is resolution, wherein it has been held, where it has...
Who's going for the state?
Yeah.
Come this side.
But as per our affidavit, our affidavit filed by respondent number 4.
My Lord, this state...
Lordship, it says that the initial salary that was released to the petitioner was based on the resolution of the school managing committee. Was based on the resolution of the school managing committee, which is at Annexure 9, Lordship.
Annexure 9?
No, Annexure 1.
Sorry, Your Lordship. Page 9, Annexure 1. My apologies.
That is the resolution dated 27 April 2019, wherein it has been resolved that, and I have been identified as a sanction teacher, serial number 2, and it was resolved that my salary should be credited in my account.
Lordship, but as per the official record, she is not listed as a sanctioned teacher.
Where we said that?
Lordship, starting from para 2, Lordship.
Para?
Para 2, Lordship, at page 2.
What that approval is there in the writ petition?
Lordship,
Who's our third teacher then? There are 3 sanctioned teachers.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Who's eating your pay now?
Social studies, I am for the social studies, and they have not disclosed...
Is there a sanction for social studies or only maths, language and science?
But that is the thing,
Correct. For sanctioned teachers only for maths, science and
social
language.
studies, and one for language,
Science,
Lordship.
language and social
studies
studies.
included.
Yes, yes.
Mr. Jobin, you are the managing committee.
My Lord, I am the managing committee.
Yes. What mischief have you done?
My Lord, here there is actually there's no mischief at all, my Lord. What happened is here, she is trying to establish her right on the basis of some bona fide mistake committed on our part, which we admit, my Lord. Now, only in the year 2010, our school came under the scheme of the Sarva Siksha Abhiyan, my Lord. And as per the requirement of the Sarva Siksha Abhiyan, we were supposed to give the names of 3 teachers, my Lord. 3 teachers for various different subjects, social studies, maths and languages, my Lord. So accordingly, we have forwarded the name. Her name was not forwarded, my Lord. But since she was in the school, since 1998, she was there. By mistake, my Lord, our staff have forwarded the salary account of the petitioner here, because of which she inadvertently received salary for 3 months, my Lord. After this was identified, it was rectified, my Lord. When we came to our knowledge, it was rectified. Now her case is that She is saying that since I was paid for 3 months, my salary should be continued to paid, whereas she was not even a sanctioned teacher. Even if there was a sanction, subsequently there was little of problem was there with regarding her salary. One of the sanctioned teacher came before this honorable court, and that matter went to the division bench also. And the division bench says the salary has to be paid to the teacher who came before, the sanctioned teacher, one of the sanctioned teacher, my lord. So accordingly, subsequently, my lord, even her approval, which was done by mistake, was revoked, my lord. And this fact has been suppressed before, my lord. He has not
now
even... Yes.
Are you using her services? Yes. Is he teaching the school?
Yes, Lord.
My lord, I can, if my lord gives me, I can produce the register whether she is coming to school or not.
Are you using her services?
No, we are not using her service, my lord.
Before, we're using her services from 1998.
Yes, before that there is no dispute, my lord.
So
we were using.
Summarily, you're throwing her out.
No, we have never thrown her out also, my lord.
Then from where
but
you're
the
paying
thing,
her?
but
so you're using services without paying her after 2018?
No, that...
23 rather, sorry.
My lord, it's like this. Earlier, my lord, this sum of salaries on the agreement, my lord, we were shared with her, my lord.
Understood.
Subsequently, what happened was, my lord, because of, as I said, because of our mistake, we have forwarded her salary, her account to the government, my lord.
How can it be a mistake? It's not a mistake. That is a
There
calculated mistake. Yes.
Resolution is
my
there.
lord, that we cannot, my lord, we have no justification to that, but there was a bona fide mistake. Because, my lord, her name is not a sanctioned from the government's side, my lord. So as it is, if it's not sanctioned, she is not entitled to receive the money that has been credited to the sanctioned post.
Now, what do we do with the services? If she's been serving since 98, going to school, fine, you had a sort of arrangement, all the pay went to one account, is distributed, the sanctioned pay of teachers to her also.
Yes.
So now, are you using her services? Then you pay from your own resources?
My lord, we are actually not using, because
you pay from your resources then? How we just throw employment? She's a teacher duly appointed managed committee, correct?
Yes, sir.
At that relevant point
At that relevant point of time, my lord, yes. My lord, I can take instruction on that point, my lord, if subject to...
You want to serve, terminate a service, whatever, then you give her a golden handshake.
Yes, my lord. I'll take instruction from the managing committee in that
sanctioned teacher, that is.
She's not.
What have you suppressed?
She has suppressed the revocation.
I will come to that, Your Lordship.
Have you filed a rejoinder?
I have filed. I have explained in my rejoinder.
My lord, if my lord comes to the affidavit filed by the respondent number 5, my lord. Page number 7, annexure 1, my lord. This is the order, my lord, passed by the Joint Director School Education and Literacy. The undersigned hereby revoke the teacher's approved order under so and so of Matri Mangal SSA UPS Molakandi due to the school under sub judice in the High Court matters in the division bench anti further order. Name of the teachers are Mojibur Rahman.
What happened to the division bench order?
Yes.
No, then the division bench order was in the division bench order, my lord. The salary was supposed to be paid to not to this teacher but to the other approved teachers, my lord. I can place that order also, my lord. I have no.
Her name here is here. Yes. That means she was approved by your managing committee, and it went for approval. It was approved, and now who has taken her place then?
Yes, sir.
Who's the person? Who's the social studies teacher who's taken her place? Who's it?
That's what Your Lordship.
Who are they appearing?
No, my lord. He has.
Doesn't mean the other teacher.
Nobody is there, Your Lordship. Social studies. I am the only one.
So where's the pay going?
That's what Your Lordship. They have diverted the pay.
Certain account.
They have diverted on the. I don't know how they have, but they are not disclosing also where the salary, my salary is going. No, in the affidavit also they have not disclosed where the salary is going in whose account.
If that is correct, if he's the only social studies teacher, then if you had approved his appointment, it had gone for approval, then you kept in abeyance because of some matters pending. You said some teacher had gone, said, which the sanctioned teacher was for which subject, but gone to court.
They have not disclosed anything in the affidavit also. I am also in dark.
Lordship, if I may, there is an additional affidavit filed on behalf of the state, in which at para 4 it is stated that, Lordship, that the state, if I may, Lordship,
Yes.
That with regard to the averment of the petitioner, that her appointment was approved by the competent authority, right order dated 22/10/2018 as an assistant teacher is not correct. As per the official records, no such approval order was issued by any competent authority.
You mean that's fake?
Lordship, that is the averment.
Where's your?
Lordship, in the additional affidavit filed on behalf of the state at para 4.
Where's the additional affidavit?
Lordship, this
2020.
Page number 5.
By the state project director.
Page 5.
Para 4.
Yes, Lordship, at page 5.
ये किसका है?
Yes, Mr. Pandit, it's a very curious case.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Let's just see.
This one, the school is saying my appointment was approved. Government is saying not approved, and they have not disclosed. The government also not disclosed who are the teachers, and when their appointment was approved. And they have enclosed this in the first affidavit. They have enclosed this resolution also that.
What is this register, MS Tunga? Next see.
This is one register. In this register also the other teacher's name is not reflected. If my name
what
is not
this
there,
register about?
This
what
register
do you
they
want
are
to show by
saying,
this register?
they are saying that through this register they maintain correspondence. So, but there is no correspondence pertaining to other teachers also.
This issue is from the department. This register is whose register?
Nothing is mentioned here.
Office noting there.
Next, what do you want to show by this register?
My lord, may I pray? Let it come next week. In the meantime, I will also bring this the order of the High Court, my lord, in the writ appeal, my lord. That will make it very clear, my lord.
As there appears to be some confusion with regard to the stated facts, this is a matter of 2 weeks. Yes, madam.
16th, please.
Your Lordship, we filed a miscellaneous application to strike out the respondent number 3 to 10 because by mistake, so bona fide mistake, we impleaded them by name, whereas they should have been impleaded in their official capacity, Your Lordship.
Who are they?
Respondent number 3 to 10.
Yes.
And
names may be deleted because they are not required.
Now I have instruction to implead them in their official capacity, Your Lordship. Otherwise, they will go scot-free, taking advantage of our mistake. You may see page 12 of my petition, Your Lordship.
Which petition?
Writ petition.
Affidavit you withdrew to file again. Affidavit also was withdrawn. You file a fresh affidavit. What affidavit was withdrawn?
No, that was ours. There was a slight
file
mistake.
afresh.
Long back.
Page?
Page 12. Para 15 and 16.
Yes.
The petitioners state that the directors of the respondent number 2, being respondent number 3 to 10, have arbitrarily...
What do you want today?
I want a permission from Your Lordship to implead these respondents in their official capacity. I have instruction
No,
also.
you have to strike the names off. You strike off the person.
That was due to mistake.
The person they remain, right? The
By name. By mistake, we filed by name.
Yeah. Now you said Mr. D. Chaudhary, so and so and so. From number 3?
3 to 10.
To 10. Now the names may not be shown, only the designations.
In fact, my lord, the entire matter can be disposed today. Not more than 10 minutes will be required for disposal. There's not, with all respect, my lord, there's no
It's not ready today.
No, it can be disposed, but I may be permitted to file again to implead them in their official capacity.
I meant the main matter.
Yeah.
The writ petition.
Not the writ petition.
No, on what issue? Main matter.
Main matter, my lord, the prayer is very simple. Prayer is seeking a direction from Honorable Court, directing us to make certain payments to them, which they are alleging are outstanding. On facts, I have filed a very short affidavit to show all payments have been conducted. They have given their no due certificates.
Where's the affidavit?
Affidavit, my lord.
Page
9. Page 9. There were 2 projects in which petitioner was involved in. Page 9 is for one of the projects.
Page 9. Yes.
If I can read the body, my lord. This is to certify that we have received all payments due to us in respect of the above referred LOI contract agreement, and we have no claims whatsoever pending with NEPCO for this.
Yes. What do you say about this, Mr. Datta?
My lordship, first I want this miscellaneous application to be disposed of.
No, okay, forget Mr. Datta. If we can dispose of the main matter, the miscellaneous will have no meaning.
Otherwise,
what do you have to say about this? You not filed a joinder?
No, I have not filed a joinder. Otherwise, these people, this 3 to 10 will go scot-free.
Who's scot-free or isn't scot-free? The main
They are
matter
very
is
much involved. If you see my para 14 of my petition.
Okay, take down Miss Case number so-and-so. Miss Case number 100 of 2024, NWC number 317. This is an application for deleting the names of the respondents number
3 to 10.
3 to 10.
Who have been arrayed in the cause title by name. Stop, Mr. D.K. Datta. Next paragraph, the letter counsel submits that due to inadvertence, the respondents' names have been shown together with the official designation. He prays that the name be deleted and the case proceed against the said respondents in their official
capacity.
My lord, there's no prayer for that in their petition, because
Never said that.
when I said I have
This
no
is my
objection,
humble submission,
when I said I have no objection,
Fine, the court can do it on its own accord.
let them file a petition, because impleading them even in the capacity, even
Now
in the official
you delete
capacity,
all of them and
The
impute
matter
all of
will
them
get
again.
delayed, your lordship.
we can. That's why I'm saying we can dispose the matter.
of the matter.
We
What
can
do you-
dispose the matter today. Why have these impleadment, non-impleadment?
What do you have to say about that? Your new due certificate furnished by you.
No, that is just in the format, your lordship. Actually, we have not received the payment. It has been a common practice to submit such documents, certificate before
Then you
preparation
file a
of the.
rejoinder if you.
Okay, I'll file a rejoinder, your lordship. In that case.
Okay, the application for striking out respondents number
3 to 10.
3 to 10.
3 to 9, and the same are objected to by Mr. S. Jindal. The council just such the parties are struck off from the response of array of parties. Registering district corrections. Miss Case allowed. Stop. Mr. Next in the main case. In the main case, Mr. D.K. Datta submits that in view of the order passed in the Mrs. application, whereby the respondents number 3 to 10.
3 to 10.
He may be permitted to
In their
to
official
file an
capacity.
appropriate application to implead them afresh in their official capacity.
Official capacity.
Yes,
Yes,
prayers allowed. And what else? He further prays allowed to file a joinder to the short
File a
affidavit
rejoinder, yeah.
filed by the respondents just after 3 weeks for all necessary formalities to be completed. Yes.
Obliged.
18.
This is the other side. Has to go ex parte.
I don't know, Mr. Sinkan was appearing.
Which Sinkan?
S. Sinkan.
We'll adjourn it because court also got to leave. Yes. None appears to have respondents in interest of justice. This is matter after
2 weeks, madam.
2 weeks, yes.
Obliged.